Hello, my name is Jelena Pavlovic and I'm a PhD student of the University of Valencia and an English professor. Today I will talk to you about my activity for English language learning, which entails new approaches to the second language learning as well as the innovative techniques to do it. My project is called Think Outside the Box, and it has been developed with the intention of encouraging motivation among students throughout a number of engaging student-based collaborative activities. In this case, I have opted to include 7 activities focused on the ESL. Nevertheless, these activities could be changed and adapted to learners' level, as well as the subject matter the students are studying at the moment, even the season of the year, for example, Easter or Christmas. Each of the activities is contained in a box. These boxes are given to 5 groups of 5 to 6 students so that each group has 1 box. However, this number varies depending on the number of the students in the class. The teacher will set a timer and share it with the students, and the time of 10 to 15 minutes will be allowed for students to open the boxes, read and put into practice what the instructions they found inside indicate them to do. Then they will carry out their activity in a collaborative way until the time runs out. After this, they will switch boxes with another group in a clockwise order, and the time will be restarted as they begin with another activity. This will happen over and over again until all groups have completed the activities in all the boxes. The way this modular technique is structured makes it highly dynamic, enabling it to be adapted to different needs. Some of the main features the activity focuses on using our current setup include team collaboration, creativity, physical or digital interactive skills, cost-effective activities, and wide range of skills targeted. In addition, my activity includes 7 exercises, each of them placed inside a box with their explanation and step-by-step instructions, which are tongue twister, discover places in Valencia throughout QR codes, taboo, heads up, guess the person, crosswords, true-false story, and true-false facts. The first box contains tongue twisters, an exercise meant to encourage cognitive practice responsible for the learning process, fostering the speaking skill and necessary sub-skills such as pronunciation and intonation. Furthermore, this exercise develops reading skills in a fun way, as well as the listening skill due to the fact that learners listen to their peers so that they could repeat the tongue twister accurately. Box number 2 includes Discover Places in Valencia through QR codes, an exercise which stimulates reading and listening skills as well as the ICT abilities, as it requires the knowledge of the QR codes reader. Reading and writing skills are covered with the articles learners are led to them by QR codes about touristic places in Valencia, which students are expected to read out loud whilst writing down the main information they consider crucial. Taboo Guess the Word, an exercise found in the 3rd task box, which encourage speaking, reading, and listening skills, since students are reading the words shown on the card, which afterwards they have to explain to their peers while saying the association words out loud. Hence, they are practicing 3 skills throughout the board game without feeling overwhelmed. Box number 4, Heads Up Guess the Person. Within this exercise, students work on their speaking, reading, and listening skills. In other words, students read the words from the card placed on the peer's forehead and describe the person shown on the card. Moreover, learners listen to each other brainstorm in English, and they practice their creativity as well as their negotiation ability. Box number 5 contains crosswords. Within this exercise, students work on their reading and research skills as they split into 2 teams inside a group already formed and need to find the words assigned. The ones who find it first are the winner and need to help the others in order to create a collaborative environment. Box number 6 contains true-false story. Students practice their speaking together with the listening skills whilst developing their imagination, creativity, and the ability of storytelling. The other peers need to guess if the story is true or false. Last but not the least, true-false facts. This is another activity which could easily be customized in order to deal with the topic students are studying at the moment. Students read the fact to the person next to them while practicing reading, speaking, and listening skills, and they need to guess if the fact is true or false. Hence, for each correct answer, they keep the card. Apart from the easy way to learn any subject teacher wants to deal with, students practice both receptive and productive skills whilst having fun. Outside the box activity helps students learn how to function in a team environment and develop their interpersonal skills so that they are ready for their future careers. Encourages authentic and meaningful communication and collaboration inside each group through team-based tasks. Ensures students work cooperatively with clear goals established on every activity so that they are all focused on achieving the same end result. Focuses on the importance of critical thinking and decision-making skills. It is completely DIY, it presents little to no expenditure, and could easily be adapted to any topic teachers are explaining. Thank you so much for your attention, and think outside the box while studying English.